To use route is very simple and pretty straightforward. So we can group our routes to our multiple routes in a groups. So we can simply access, and if we can't want to change our routes, so we can change in our group. So let's create a simple route, get, and account, password, and with the closure function and echo account password, and let's check it to. So we have create our route, account, password. So you can see we can access, and let's create another routes to for profile, and one a post route to same route for to post our profile farm data or request data. So echo profile post account post profile data. So let's check into our profile. So we have account profile and password. So we have account passwords. So we can create all these routes into our groups. So we can just need to create a group and with prefix. So route group and creates array with prefix to set to slash account with closure function, and we can copy all these cut from here and paste right here. So also we need to right now. So we have set our account and all the sub account routes into our group. So if you want to change our main route, we can rightly change here. So if you count and you can change, let's check it. It's they are working, and you can see they are still getting the echo data. So we can change it to account users. So we just need to change here users, and still we are accessing the file. So check it. We have to we do not need to now write to change every in route. So we have make a group and a single change that can give effect, and it will give and full uh, handful to write to code in easy way. So we can also make it to our group of middleware if we want to authenticate our applications with middleware. So there are two ways. One, you can authenticate your uh, users through in controller, or either that you can authenticate your user in root or route in by using middleware. So we can give an other parameter right here in our prefix group uh, to if we want to use middleware. So associate the middleware of auth for authentication to check the user is authenticated or not. It will get the route that are described under this group. If the user middleware is web, so it will use the guest middleware to check the user is guest. It will allow it to access these routes. So we can set our routes group by prefixing right in the way. And what else? So that's all.